G'day guys, we're back here on our Woolloongabba project, so pretty exciting. So we're pretty much wrapped up here. There's a few little things that we can't do at the moment just to finish the job completely, just due to lead times and how busy the industry is. But basically we've got the plumber on site today doing the final tidy up, water connection, getting the gas line in, hooking up the few downpipes, finishing off the little laundry area behind me. And yeah, once he's done today, we're basically 98% done. So the only things left to do on this project, we've got to install an electric panel door. Huge lead times on those types of things at the moment, and being so close to Christmas, that's going to have to wait till the new year. And apart from that, we're still waiting on our bloody power connection. So fingers crossed, we've been told that it is going on today. So if our power connection goes on, plumber can commission the hot water system, get his plumbing final, the Sparky can commission everything, can do a final check of the project, and we're out of here. So like I've said, this whole job, very different to our normal projects. On this job, all we've done is what was required for the development approval. So we've literally slid the house forward, across to the side, raised it, enclosed it, got all the services working again, made it livable, put in a little laundry, put in a new driveway so that the clients can either live here or rent this out in the future when they build a brand new home on the block out the back. So really great little project. It has taken a little bit longer than we expected, but look, seriously, this year, nothing surprises me with the cost increases, time delays, every single tradie, supplier, you name it in our industry being incredibly busy. We're just happy we've got a great team, our own team, our suppliers, our contractors. And look, at the end of the day, everyone is doing their absolute best so that we can keep delivering all of our clients incredible projects.